Hi everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day or night wherever you're located at in the world. Today I wanted to do a review on our waterers to see exactly what we think of them and to see if our baby bunnies and our mama bunnies like it. And she's hiding because she has all of her babies all over the place, and so she is hiding. But look at who's right next to me. Cheetah! That's a cheety. Anda mira, cheety. Yep. Thing that we were having issues with our waters was they're always getting dumped over and they were always knocking them, so it was completely crazy mess of just water everywhere over here. So we were doing some researching, and this is the research that we found, and we stumbled upon these waters, and we want to show you exactly what we thought of them because maybe they might be good for your rabbits too. Now this is what the waterer looks like, and as you can see, it's got poopy in there. So we're gonna do a little change to show you how easy it is to change these waterers and show you exactly what it is. But this is what they look like. So let's get to figuring out how easy this is to clean, and we'll see exactly what's gonna go on and see if these rabbits do like them. Do you like it? Yes, you do. I like it. You like it? Yeah. Everybody's so quiet today. Yeah, you are. Let's get to see him. So you want to take it out, and you're just going to lift this out. And you're going to dump. And then all you have to do is stick it back in. Of course, you can clean it. We just cleaned it yesterday. We clean it every day to every other day, but yesterday was the cleaning day. And then you have this water jug right here. And we just put new water in it, and we only go halfway with our waters because we really don't need to unless we're going somewhere. But you will get this here. And it is the filter, and it's like little clay beads, it looks like. And then you have this here. And this is where you do, thank you. And this is where you do, it does push down to get the water out. So what you want to do is you want to put this in here, but I always just put it on here and then twist it. Now when you first get this, I always put the water, thank you. When you get this, I always put the water all the way up, and then I do go like this and drain all the water once at least before we even let our rabbits drink it. And then you just twist it like that. And now on here, it states right here that warning, pinch hazard, this side forward. Remember that because I did pinch my hands on it. And just to let you know, and I'll show you after I put it on there, but you just stick it right on, boom, done. One thing I wanted to show you too is that you can go like this and see how much your water is in there if you need to do that. Another thing too is I wanted to show you if you put it on backwards, it will not fit. There's no possible way that it will fit. So you have to twist it, turn it, and put it the correct way before it does. And you will pinch your fingers if you are not careful. So be very, very careful. Cheetah here thinks it's an amazing little water. I see that he or she is always drinking from it. And all of the babies love it, and Mama loves it. It is a good water, and we absolutely love it. And we're gonna get one for our dogs and our cats that we like it so much. So this is a approved bunny approved. Right, Cheetah? Is it bunny approved? Yes, it is. It's a bunny approved. This is the best waterer for bunnies, in my opinion. Absolutely love it. Now, with rabbits, make sure you're careful that you have this here and then you have a long ways up, because I noticed that some of my rabbits will actually jump on this to try to get over to the next. So make sure that you're always, always, always watching to make sure your rabbits are completely not going to jump on this and jump over any gates or fences or anything like that, or anything that can hurt them. Right? Right. It is faith approved. And what I like about this is the water doesn't go all the way up to the very top of it. So when the rabbit, dog, cat, whatever is going to be licking on it or drinking from it, that it is still got that big gap between the water and actually this, so you're not getting water everywhere when they're lapping up their water. I absolutely love that. As I always say, I hope this video helps you to figure out if this is the exact water that you want for your rabbits, your dogs, your cats, whatever rabbit or whatever animal it is, and see exactly if this might be something that you like or you don't like. And like I always say, you guys are highly favored and highly blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.